Thinking about selling your shop, one of the biggest things that you need to consider is, and a lot of people think, oh, I just want to sell my shop, but you just can't go and jump in the swimming pool without first checking the water. Is the water, 60 degrees, or is the water, 85 degrees and ready to be jumped into? And some of those things that you want to do beforehand is, make sure that you're selling the shop post sale, that you can live the same life or better that you're living right now. The whole idea is quality of life. And a lot of folks, they sell their shop and then they end up, having to get a second job, or maybe doing something that they really didn't want to do because they have to do it. The idea for most folks that are selling their shop is, they want to sell the shop to either not work or do something that they want to do, something they have passion for. That's pretty much where I'm at. I'm doing this not because I have to, but because I want to. And I think it's important to really think about what that net money to you is going to look like post sale. And I think that, it's one of those things, you can't put the cart before the horse. You've got to get the horse and then get the cart. So the first thing is to understand the value of your business, understand your real estate and what, your exit is going to look like on that. And then understand what the tax consequences are going to be on your particular sale. And then understand what, that picture, if you will, of what your life can look like post sale if you sell. And sometimes that picture is not pretty, being completely transparent. And sometimes that picture is amazing and it's something that, you're ready to act on. So I think that's the first thing that you have to think about.